Hello everyone. I feel that we are ready to start painting the light shape. So everything we've done so far is more about taking the background out to setting up a stage for painting the light. Here we want to create as much unity so all of that background shapes can be read more as one shape, as one flow, opposing and supporting at the same time the flow of light. And it is in the flow of light where the story is told. Take my white, take quite a bit of it, so I am generous with my paint, and I have paint to mix into it, because if you're just bringing a little bit of the paint into your palette, you probably not using enough paint in your painting, and you can't mix as many variation as you probably need. And again, if we talk about painting without really looking at what our reference offers us, we have portrait with the three parts. The biggest and the lightest and the coolest part is going to be your forehead. And then the middle part, the cheeks and the nose and the top of the muzzle, will have the most warm color from the face. And then the third part of the chin and the jaw will be more submerged into the side planes that are going to be receiving back, so they will need a bit more of a feeling belonging to the background. So whatever choice of your background you make, you're going to need to fuse it or infect it into your side planes of the face. So less color, more light, more warmer color, lesser light, much less light, and a lot more desaturated gray down colors that relate to the background. That's the idea. So let's see how we can execute it and make a nice painting.